Hey guys, what's up? So tips from the top and best strategy tweets. iOS 11, 12, and 13 of the 13.6. The first tree is called YouTube Tools. It's an essential toolbox for the YouTube app. This tree is called Color Me Notives and branch colors to your notifications. This tree is called Swipe Selection. As I see a new one that's updated for iOS 13 to 14, but basically lets you select the text and move the cursor using the gestures on your keyboard. This is called YouTube Reborn, and basically it's a YouTube customizer. There's also another tree called Easy YouTube. Easy space YouTube, and that supports VLC gestures to the YouTube app. This tree is called Gestures i11, and basically compatible with iOS 13 and 14 on all devices. Your iPhone has gestures, iPhone 11 Zoom UI, default keyboard, lock screen shortcut, modern dock, very lightweight and no battery drain for older devices. This tree is called nonce_setter, and with this nonce_setter app, you can use this app, put the generator number % in the SHSH2 file for the upgrade downgrade process by using a valid SHSH2 file. So it's only intended for Jailbreak users, Checkra1n version 0.11.0 and higher. The first is using Checkra1n Jailbreak, less than 0.7, operation does not work. So this one you see doesn't work. This one doesn't work, and this one does work. This is called Skinny Settings, and it gives you minimal, useful, and smooth options to make better and more functional your settings application by adding these nice features. This is called Marina, and basically it gives you the chance to choose how many icons you prefer to have into your dock, also by adding other options for its site and behavior. This is called Ombre by one of the best iOS teams, French iTouch. This is called Fake Picture, and this tweet is used for fake picture taken when apps ask to take a picture dash selfie from the iPhone camera so that the app will get a replaced image which you set. It's a good way to protect your privacy. This is called Sadia, and basically no options to configure. This is called Ignify, and basically it's also an Instagram enhancement tweak with these features right here. This is called Happy Pad, and basically covered with iOS 13 and 14. You get these gestures right there. This is called No Library Folder Title, hide app library folder title on iOS 14. This is called Varderman. It's a fresh look on for your device. So look at the same wallpaper throughout the day. It could get boring. This provides you a way to change your device's wallpaper on different times of the day. Also, on-demand wallpaper by switching via activator. You can also use local album to cycle through wallpapers. This is called Milky Way. It's also Milky Way 2. So Milky Way or Milky Way 2 depending on the device and iOS version you have, but basically it's a Windows multicasting for iOS 13. Milky Way 2 is, and then Milky Way, just regular Milky Way is, I think, for iOS 12 and below. This is called Fancy Selection. Change the iOS text selection menu to something fancy. This is called Mikado, and basically it's a tweet that allows you to customize various parts of iOS along with several abstract apps like YouTube and Twitter, so you get some examples of what Mikado can do. So also someone did say that I heard different reports saying that it does and then that doesn't work on the latest YouTube app, this tweet. So if you want, you can try it out. So yeah, and that's the YouTube. They say what's final with the latest YouTube version 15.39.4 for the YouTube app for this week. Next week is called Complications, and I'll watch OS widgets on the lock screen. And the last week is called AF Social, and adds more features to social media apps. So, you guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace.